Today I'm going to be doing a demonstration and review of the Schumacher battery charger. So just to kind of give you some background, I do have an RV business and I also own a few RVs. And from time to time, I need to keep my batteries charged when my RVs are in storage and they're just sitting. So what I wanted to do is demonstrate how this works. It is plugged into a standard AC outlet, as you can see. As soon as you plug it in, and I don't have the clips on the battery as of yet, but it does turn on and gives you some options. So if you look closely on the screen, it'll show you percentage charged. Of course, there's nothing there yet because I don't have it hooked up. The voltage meter is on, and it gives you the ability to select between a 3 amp maintainer, which is a trickle charger, or a 15 amp rapid charge. It's better for your battery overall when you do charge these that you use the maintainer feature. When you use the rapid charge, it will charge it quickly, usually gets up to about 80% pretty quickly, and then it takes quite a while to go from that 80% to 100% using a trickle charge. It does give you an indicator should you accidentally reverse polarity on it. It's hard to do. Red is positive, black is negative, but sometimes you can look at the battery and it's not real clear and you might make a mistake. In that case, it gives you that option. So you can select battery type, standard, AGM, gel, and then it'll also give you a bad battery indicator, which I have had that happen where the battery was bad and I had to go ahead and get a new one. Let's go ahead and get it plugged up so you can see how it works. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the clamps, connectors, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to locate the positive for red, and I'm going to locate the negative for black. And I'm going to turn it on, and as soon as I do that, it shows me that this battery is very low, 12.0, 12.1 volts. We want this up to 12.5, 12.6. So I am not going to fast charge this. It's not totally dead, it's just very low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on maintainer. Okay, it is a standard battery. This is a liquid filled battery. So that's what I'm going to do. Deep cycle marine RV battery. Go ahead and hit start. And it says on. The charging indicator light has turned on and the charging process has begun. As it goes through, it will show you the voltage from time to time and the percentage charged. It takes a few minutes for that to kind of calibrate, but that will display and it will cycle through and show you that percentage. So overall, I'm very happy with this charger. I use it regularly. It does a great job. I have had no problems whatsoever with it, and I recommend it highly. So I hope you found this review to be helpful.